Oh, should I go ride it? Should I go parking next to the other scooters? These look like a bunch of nerds, man. What's good, YouTube? It's your boy SB. I'm back for another video. And if y'all are new, please subscribe. Y'all, everybody smash the like button. Y'all drop a comment. Comment your guys' favorite part of the clip. We are vlogging today, y'all, and I hope you guys enjoy the video. Follow me on my Instagram. I love y'all. Let's enjoy the vlog. Let's get into it. Let's see what we do. Yeah. God damn it, y'all. Fuck. Alrighty. I got a freaking mark in it on my shorts, bro. I got a mark on my shorts. Are you kidding me? Damn, I'm so mad, y'all. It's cool, baby. We're gonna get up out of here. We gotta go to the bank, y'all. Gotta run to the bank. I gotta run to the Bizank. Crazy, y'all. Literally, bro, this shit get, listen, I really be whipping. I'm really whipping out here. But this is crazy, bro. Like, I know, oh, it's just a cemetery, but bro, really, like, I just stumbled upon this cemetery. This should be moving, though. We really moving, baby. Really moving. We on our way to Starbucks. We're on our way to Starbucks, baby. First we gotta go to the bank. Let's first go to the bank, y'all. Take care of some business, and then we'll go to Starbucks. Yeah, we just came across this crazy cemetery and shit. Rest in peace to all the homies. No killer. We hitting Starbs with it. You already know what time it is, baby. We had to go to the Starbs. The Starbucks. Y'all crazy. I'm telling y'all, y'all crazy. Yeah, we out here with it. Starbucks and shit, you know. Catching vibes. Oh, should I go ride it? Should I go parking next to the other scooters? These look like a bunch of nerds, man. Boom. We out. Let's go get some Starbucks, y'all. These people in here giving me weirdo vibes. I don't really do the weirdo thing. You know what I mean? Come on, baby. We out here looking fresh and shit. Can't be doing that weirdo shit. Starbucks, do better. You originated in Seattle. Do better. We in your state. Gonna flick their ass, baby. Quit playing that shit. Y'all acting weird. These people are acting weird, y'all. I'm not gonna lie to you. I ain't worried about them. You know your boy always about catching vibes and shit. They gave me an extra donut. So I ain't even tripping about it. I'm really not. I got this old dude looking at me, bro. Like, what is he looking at me? I wonder if they be thinking I'm recording them. Like, bro, ain't nobody trying to record you. You know what I mean? Ain't nobody trying to record. We got 2 donuts, baby. 2 of them bitches. You heard? So, I ain't even worried about it. You know what I mean? trying to catch a vibe. We're gonna post this on the video. This is after y'all ate all my shit, bro. I don't know why they gave me 2 donuts. I can't eat the other donut. That's about it, bro. Shit, tits. Titties in my face. I absolutely love the water. I don't know if y'all can hear me, but I absolutely love the water. And I'm gonna show y'all where we're at. Imagine me falling. Imagine if I fell. I don't know if y'all can hear me either, by the way. Hopefully. This shit fire, y'all. Let's go to Starbucks. Not gonna lie, y'all, my camera's at 1%. My camera is at 1%, y'all. Damn. So, we gonna have to figure it out. No cap. You know my scoot gotta go where I go. Yo, I'm not gonna lie to you. This scooter, bro, has been just such a blessing in my life. The best $500 I ever spent in my life. Y'all, let's climb up on this rock real quick. Man, I'll whip this shit. I might go get my little pedicure. No homo. You know what I'm talking about? But look, let's get up on here real quick. Whoa. Oh my gosh. Imagine falling, bro. We're gonna find some more spots, y'all. But I love y'all, man. Thank you guys for your support. Let's keep it going. Let's keep it going, baby. For sure. Let's keep it going and shit. Love it. I love it. I love it. That's what your girl look like. Oh, Tabitha. It's good to see you, Tabitha. And another thing too, y'all, like, you know, another thing I'm really appreciative is for my camera, bro. Like, I love this camera so much, y'all. You have no idea. And I really want to get a new one. Like, I want to get a different one, like a big one or something. You know what I mean? So it's really lit, y'all. And it's really lit. I love my camera, bro. I'm just taking a little nature walk with y'all. Comment down below maybe some areas in the world that you visited. Comment down below, y'all, some areas that you might have been to. After this, I'm gonna go back to Starbucks. This is like a 2-day vlog. And I might go get a little pedicure. I don't know, y'all. I gotta go by the bank. And guess what? Scoot takes me. Yeah.